Pag-aralan ng wasto, panatiling sariwang hangin.
Sa DENR Administrative Order Number 2014-02 entitled Revised Guidelines for Pollution Control Officer Accreditation provides the duties and responsibilities of accredited pollution control officers, particularly in Section 10, Duties and Responsibilities of Accredited PCOs. Sabi po dito, the accredited PCO shall perform the following duties and responsibilities. Una sa item, I read and I quote, together with the managing head, ensure compliance with the requirements of PD 1586, RA 6969, RA 8749, RA 9003, RA 9275, their respective implementing rules and regulations, IRRs, and other pertinent rules and regulations. So kapag ikaw isang accredited PCO, dapat sinisiguro mo na ang kumpanya na nire-represent mo ay compliant sa requirements ng major environmental laws. Together with the managing head, ensure compliance with the requirements of major environmental laws. Sa iyo pinagkakatiwala ang responsibility na masiguro laging compliant sa 5 batas. Marami tayong napag-aaralan tungkol sa iba't ibang permitting, reporting requirements ng iba't ibang batas na ito. At sabi nga dito, duty and responsibility ito ng isang accredited PCO. Halimbawa, sa Presidential Decree 1586, ano ang compliance requirements dito na nakasulat sa Section 4 ng PD 1586 na dapat mayroong environmental compliance certificate ang isang proyekto. Kung hindi covered ng system to secure ECC, dapat mayroong Certificate of Non-Coverage or CNC na official document din na ini-issue ng DNR AMB. Same with RA 6969. At least the proponent shall register as waste generator. Some are transporter or a treatment storage disposal facility. So mayroong registration. RA 8749 tungkol naman sa permit to operate ng generator set, boiler, fuel storage tank, furnace, at ano pang mga equipment with emissions of regulated air pollutants, kailangan merong permit at siguruhin na nagko-comply sa mga conditions nito. Yun ang sinasabi dito sa item number 1. Ganon din sa RA 9003 na dapat merong compliance sa Ecological Solid Waste Management Act, practice, segregation, proper disposal ng solid waste. At dito sa RA 9275, siguruhin na merong authorization in a form of discharge permit. Authorization to discharge treated water sa environment. So bilang accredited PCO, siguruhin na nagko-comply ang company mo sa 5 batas na ito. Malaking gampanin dahil compliance entails cost. So kaya kailangan hingi ka dyan ng budget, monitor mo ano yung operation na makakaapekto sa compliance. So always ensure compliance with the requirements of major environmental laws. That's number one duty of an accredited pollution control officer.